Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are practicing for summative assessment, isn't it, children? Summative assessment 3. Yes, and I have already explained you the model paper, and we have already learned few bits, isn't it, children? Distributing in equal groups with repeated subtraction and drawing the picture, which is our first bit. Second bit, by using repeated subtraction, distributing the things into equal groups in repeated subtraction, and also finding the numbers in multiplication and division sentence. And then we also learned about how to write the number of things, number of groups, and total number of things along with that multiplication sentence also, isn't it? And we have learned how to find halves, how to find doubles also, isn't it, children? So today we will learn how to divide the given numbers, divide the following, and draw the pictures to show the following fractions, and write the fraction for the following pictures. Till there we will learn today 3 bits. Okay, so let's start. So here is your first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth, and sixth. Till here we finished. Now divide the following. Okay, so let's take an example. 84 divided by 7. 84 divided by 7. So 7 is your divisor. 84 is your dividend. Isn't it, children? So whenever we are drawing, we will place the arc and the sleeping line like this. And you will place the divisor here and dividend here. Okay. Now, so in addition, subtraction, multiplication, we used to start from the ones place, isn't it, children? That is from your right side. But now in division, we will start from your left side. Okay, as this is a 2-digit number, it starts with the 84, 8 tens place, okay, which is 8. So now what you have to do is, whether this 8 is divisible by 7 or not, you have to see. That is, whether 8 is there in 7 table or not, you have to see. Do you have, children? No, right? Now what we have to do is, we have to check the 7 table, which is where the answer is which less than 8 and nearer to 8. For example, if to take the 7 table, it is 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, isn't it? So 14 is more than 8, isn't it? And less than 8 are 0 and 7. But we have to see which is nearer to 8, which is less than 8 and nearer to 8. That is 7 ones are 7. So this 7 into 1 equal to 7. So this 1 you will write it here, and the answer 7 you will write it here. Okay. See, 7 ones are 7 you have to write. Okay. So there you go. So what did we learn? Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. We were dividing the things in equal groups by doing repeated subtraction. So the same subtraction you have to do it here, which is here 8 minus 7. So 8 minus 7, how much you will get? 1, isn't it? So 1 you wrote. Now you have to bring down this 4. We have only solved 8, isn't it? Now you have 4 here. That 4 you have to bring it down like this, and that becomes 14. It becomes 14. Now check whether you have 14 in 7 table or not. Yes, you have, isn't it? 7 twos are 14, isn't it? 7 into 2 is equal to 14, isn't it? So this 2 you will write it here, and this 14 you will write it down here, and you will subtract. Okay, 2 14. Now what we have to do? Subtraction, isn't it? Now 14 minus 14 will be equal to 0, isn't it? So in this way you need to do the division. Now which is your divisor? 7 is your divisor. Which is your dividend? 84 is your dividend, and 12 becomes your quotient. Okay, 12 is your quotient, and remainder is 0. So in some questions they might ask you, divide the following. Okay, then you can divide and write like this, then it will be finished. But if I ask you, write the divide, write the remainder, write the quotient, then you have to write it down. Therefore quotient is equal to 12, remainder equal to a 0. In that way you need to write. Okay, now in some cases remainder will not always be 0. It might be some 1, 2, 3, any number it might be. Other than 0 also it happens. Okay, so whichever number you get in remainder, you will write remainder equal to so and so number. Okay, let's see. See, multiplication sentence is 7 into 12 equal to 84. So if they ask you to write the multiplication sentence, simply what you will write, you have to multiply these two, divisor and quotient. 7 into 12. Then you will get the answer dividend, which is 84. Okay, so when you divide 84 divided by 7, the answer will be quotient, children, 12. Okay, whenever we divide, quotient is your answer. If remainder is 0, you will not write anything. If remainder has some value, you will write remainder equal to the value. Okay, next let's see how you will get a remainder which is not 0. So 42 divided by 4. So 4 is your divisor, 42 is your dividend, isn't it? So let's start. So 4 and 42. So what did I say? In division we have to start from the left hand side. Here it is 2-digit number, it becomes tens place. What do you have in tens place? 4. Do you have 4 in 4 table? Yes, you do have, isn't it? 4 ones are 4. So that one you will write it in the quotient and 4 you will write it down. And here you need to do the subtraction. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. So what you have to do now, you have done with 4, that is tens place is finished. Now we have to do the ones place, which is 2. That 2 you need to bring it down. Now you have 0, 2 means 2. Okay, if it is 1 or 2 or 3, then that becomes 12 or 22 or 32 or 42, whatever it is. But here it is 0, 2, that means 2. Now you have to check whether you have 2 in 4 table or not. Do we have, children? No, right? We don't have. So we have to take which is less than 2 and which is nearer to 2. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. So you can only take 4 zeros are 0. So 4 zeros are 0. Now if you subtract 2 minus 0, the answer is 2, isn't it? So the remainder is 2. So in these cases, in some cases like this, the remainder will not be 0. It will have some value. Now you know what is divisor, which is divisor. 4 is your divisor. 42 is your dividend. Quotient is 10 and remainder is 2. So that's what you will write. Okay, quotient equal to 10 and remainder equal to 2 when you have some number in the remainder. Okay, children. So in this way you need to divide the given numbers. It might be any table. Whatever table you get, you have to divide according to that, according to the given divisor. Okay, children. Now coming to your next bit, which is we have to draw the pictures for the following fractions. That means they have given the fractions. You need to draw the pictures. Let's see. So first one is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 you need to draw. How we can draw 1 by 4? Take any picture. It might any shape. It might be a circle, a square, a rectangle, your wish, and divide that into 4 equal parts. See, here I have taken a circle and I made into 4 equal parts. And I have colored one part. See, here in the numerator there is only 1, isn't it? That one part I have colored. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 is colored, 4 parts are available. Okay, there are 4 equal parts in which one part is colored. In that way. Okay, let me show you another one. 1 by 2. So 1 by, take any shape again. It might be a circle, square, rectangle, whichever shape you want. Take a shape, divide into 2 equal parts and color one part of it. See circle I have taken, I have divided into two equal parts, in which one I have colored. You can go with square also, children. It's your wish. I have taken circle C. Four parts where one part is colored like this. Children, please use your scale when you are dividing the shape into equal parts. Okay. For drawing square also. You can go with a rectangle also like this. Sorry, here it will be. And this part you can color. Any part you can color. Not only this part. Take a square. Four equal parts. You can color end part also. It's your wish. Okay. Here it is again a square. Sorry, it looks like a rectangle like this also, or like this also. It's your wish. Whichever shape you want to take, you can take and divide into the denominator. If the denominator is 4, divide into 4 parts. If the denominator is 6, make it 6 parts. If denominator is 2, make it 2 parts. If denominator is 3, make it 3 parts, according to the denominator. And according to the numerator, you need to color those parts. Okay, so this is about drawing the pictures for the given fractions. Now let's see how to write the fraction for given pictures. Okay, so here is your picture. So there is a circle which is divided into 3 equal parts, isn't it? 1 2 3. That means denominator is 3. We got it. How many parts are colored? One part is colored, 1. So 1 by 3 is your fraction. So you will write 1 by 3 by 3 1. Okay, next. See here. This is a shape which is divided into two equal parts, 1 and 2, isn't it? So you will write the denominator as 2. And how many are colored? Only 1 is colored. So you will write 1. 1 by 2. Okay, children. So in this way, you need to write the fraction for the given pictures. Okay, so practice these bits, children, for today. Get the sums from your content book, from the skill sheet, from the volume book, so that it will be easy for you to practice and to write it in the exam. It will be very, very easy for you. Okay, so see you in the next class, children, with the next bits. Bye.